let's go ahead and get started in a comfortable seat. We're going to start with something called complete breath. So you're going to take your right hand to the left side of your chest, placing your hand over your heart, and your right hand to your belly. So when we get stressed, we often have very shallow breathing. So the point and purpose of this breath is to find a longer, deeper breath in and a longer, deeper breath out, with the idea that we are going to reduce the stress that we feel in our mind and our body. So breathing in, you're going to take a full deep breath into your belly. Let the breath come all the way up to the top of the chest. And then you're going to exhale from the top of the chest all the way down to the low belly. Pull your belly back and in. So breathing in, fill your belly full, let it rise up. Breathing out, track the breath back down, pulling your belly back and in. Breathe in, fill full. Breathe out, draw back and in. One more time, breathe in, fill full. Breathe out, draw back and in. Very good. Bringing the hands to the knees, drop the chin to the chest, letting go of stress in the neck. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out as the right ear falls over towards the right shoulder. Bring the head back on top of the neck. Let the left ear fall to the left shoulder. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Bring the chin back to the chest. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Bring the head back on top of the neck, sitting up tall, shoulder circles. So touch your shoulders, touch your ears. Bring your hands to the side of the body or to the knees. Inhale, lift the shoulders up. Exhale, rotate and roll down your back. Very good. Again, inhale, lift up. Exhale like a massage down the spine. One more time. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, rotate and roll. Very good. Sunshine arms, ocean breath. So the intention is a deep, audible exhale, releasing the jaw, letting go of any tension that stress may have caused in your jaw. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Open your mouth, big, audible exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more time. Deep inhale. Big exhale. Very good. Finding the front of your mat, we're going to go to table pose next. So coming onto the hands and knees, we're going to do something called thread the needle. This is really good to let go of stress that comes into your shoulders. Taking the knees wide, touching the toes towards one another. Walk your right hand to the center of your mat. As you inhale, you're going to open up to the left, reaching the arm up, and then you're going to bring your left hand through the right arm. Let your ear come to the shoulder and reach your right fingertips forward. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Bringing the hand back to the center of the mat. Inhale, you're going to stretch, open up. Exhale, this time left hand to the center of the mat. Right arm opens. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, pull the arm through. The ear goes to the mat. The arm stretches forward. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Bringing the hand back. Inhale, open up. Exhale, coming back to table. So the knees right below the hips, the shoulders over the wrist. Spread the fingers wide, tops of the feet are flat. Cow and cat pose to stretch the spine next. Drop the belly, draw the shoulder blades together, gaze up, that's cow. Exhale, round the spine into cat. Again, inhale, draw shoulder blades together, gaze up. Exhale and round. Very good. Inhale, you're going to come back to table pose. Next, we're going to go into a little downward facing dog sequence here. So we're going to tuck our toes under and we're going to lift our hips up towards the sky. So since it's the first downward dog, maybe you want to bend your knees side to side. You can look forward towards your fingers. You can wag your dog tail. Take a deep breath in here, deep breath out. So working the stress and tension from the legs here, we're going to inhale, reach our heels up high. Exhale, press our heels towards the ground. 2, inhale, lift up high. Exhale, press your heels towards the ground. On the third time, we're gonna look up towards our fingers. Inhale, lift the heels high. Exhale, bring the knees back to table. Inhale, round the spine, cow. Exhale, the other way to cat. And then press yourself back into your child's pose. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, big ocean breath out. Nice breathing, looking up to the hands. Come back onto your hands and knees. Tuck the toes back to downward dog. We're gonna do that one more time. Inhale, heels high. Exhale, heels low. 2, inhale, heels high. Exhale, heels low. 3, inhale, heels high. Exhale, heels low. Looking up to your hands, come back to your knees. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Come back. You're in child's pose. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Letting go of any stress you may feel in your fingers. You can wiggle your fingers. If this is too intense for your bottom to be back towards your heels, you can always keep your bottom lifted with your forehead on the mat. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Very good. Looking forward to the front of your mat. We're going to move into cobra pose next. So you're going to lie yourself flat on the mat. Bringing your hands to the side of your body. Tops of the feet are going to go flat. You're going to squeeze your elbows towards your body here. And we're going to lift up into cobra. So you're going to really feel this in your back. And our back tends to be an area that holds our stress. So take it very easy. Let your breath guide you as you move into this. Inhale, you're going to draw your shoulder blades together. Press into your feet. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out and relax. Let your cheek fall to the mat, the hands flat, let the body go. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Very good. So one more time, we're going to do that again. So hands to the side of the body, drawing the elbows towards one another. Chin forward, strong legs. The back bend comes from the strength of the legs. Inhale and exhale. Again, letting your cheek come to the mat, allowing the hands to relax. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Very good. Coming back up onto our hands and knees. Cross your ankles underneath of you and stretch your legs out in front of you. Flex the toes towards the shins, sitting up tall in your body. Taking a forward fold here, take a deep inhale, bend the knees if you need, and exhale, hinge from the hips. Gazes towards the toes, draw the shoulder blades together. Feel the stretch in the legs as you breathe. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Very good. Inhale, reach your arms back up. Exhale, bring the hands to the side of the body. So we're going to finish our sequence together with balloon breathing. You can choose to lie down onto your back. You can have the knees bent or the legs stretched out. Or if you choose, you can stay in a comfortable seat. Wherever you're going to bring your hands onto your belly. And I want you to imagine there's a balloon inside of your belly. The only thing you need to do in this moment is as you breathe in, fill your belly full of air, like you're filling your balloon full. And as you breathe out, deflate your balloon, hug your belly back and in. Breathe in, fill your belly full. Breathe out, hug your belly back and in. Again, breathe in, fill your belly full. Breathe out, hug your belly back and in. One more time, breathe in, fill full. Breathe out, hug back and in. Do 2 more rounds at your own pace. And then if you're on your back, you're going to gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. You're going to take a final big stretch here. If you're seated, you're going to sit up tall. You can reach your arms up tall. And then we're all going to meet back here in a comfortable seat, sitting up tall in your body. And let's complete with our sunshine arms ocean breath. Take a deep breath in. Open your mouth, big breath out. Lovely. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day.